Hello guys, and welcome to Top Foreign Channel. Making money online has become very popular over the years, and the reason for that is because people have discovered that there is more to life than working from 9 to 5 for someone else who dictates when and how long you can have a lunch break, and when you can even take out your yearly vacation. People have started to value their life and time a lot more now. Let's be honest here, we all do have one life, and we should cherish it more than we do, but to have a lifestyle where you could be your own boss and make the money without working for someone else, is it so easy to start? And that's why I have decided to share this new and simple money-making method with you so that you could have an easy starter financial freedom. This strategy I'm about to show you is absolutely available for everyone around the globe, and you can make money with this just by using your smartphone, laptop, or whichever device you prefer. Just make sure to have an internet connection as well. You need to pay very close attention to every detail I'm sharing with you, as I really want to help you become financially free and live the life you have always dreamed of. You can now continue watching this video, but before we start, welcome to Top Foreign, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell to this website, that is Amazon.com. This platform is very popular, and I do believe that it should be very familiar to you as well. Now, before I'm going to make any assumptions, then let me get straight to the point. Now, you won't be doing any selling or purchasing on this website that requires any investments, but you're going to make money on this site just by simply copying and pasting. How exactly you will do that, I'm going to share with you in a bit. Before I will show you everything, the first thing you need to do on this website is creating yourself a free account by going to Account and Lists, and then click on Start here. If you don't have an account yet, after clicking on it, you will be redirected to the next page where you are required to fill in your information, such as your name over here, then your mobile number or email address, create the password, and then add it over here. And here finally click on Continue to fill in some more information to finish creating your account. When you have successfully created your account, then the next step would be showing you how you will be using Amazon in order to start making money. So the way you will be making money is through Amazon Kindle. If you have never heard about it before, then let me explain you what it is real quick. Amazon Kindle is part of Amazon where people can purchase ebooks and start reading them immediately. This means that people can download ebooks to the device and then start reading them on it. Buying ebooks is much easier and less time consuming, as players don't have to wait for delivery and pay for that. And over here at Amazon Kindle, you can see yourself that the members are selling ebooks in so many different categories, and when looking at the reviews, you know that they are making thousands of dollars online. Now, if you look at this ebook over here, then you can see that the seller is charging around $15 for it, and it has got about 20 reviews. Actually, that's also how many sales they have received, so this means that they have earned about 15 in total. That's a pretty good amount of money just for selling one ebook, don't you think? Now imagine selling ebooks on this platform and also earning thousands of dollars online. Wouldn't that just be amazing? Actually, that's exactly what you will be doing, selling ebooks on Amazon. Why on Amazon? Because it is the world's most popular and visited website where people come to purchase things, including ebooks. And the best part is, when you upload any book for selling, then it will stay forever on this platform, and it will earn your passive income month by month, and you even don't have to do any selling, as Amazon will do that for you. I'm sure you're thinking right now, how can you be selling ebooks on Amazon Kindle if you have no writing skills and don't have any knowledge about this topic? Don't worry, you're not required to be a writer or know anything about selling on this platform, as next on I will show you how and where you are able to get all done for you and written ebooks that you can simply sell on Amazon Kindle. Before I'm going to show you the website where you can get those ebooks, you first need to go to this website, which is kdp.amazon.com, and that is Kindle Direct Publishing. And to start publishing your ebooks for free on Amazon Kindle, you first need to click here to sign in. After signing in, you're able to publish your ebook just within 5 minutes, and after that it will take 1 to 2 days to appear on Kindle stores worldwide. And over here you can read that the benefit of selling your ebooks on Amazon is you can earn up to 70% if the buyer is from those countries such as United States, Canada, UK, Germany, India, France, Italy, Spain, Japan, Brazil, Mexico, Australia, and more. If you guys are enjoying enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. As I have now showed you how much money you're able to make by selling ebooks on Amazon, it is the time to introduce the website where you can get those done for your ebooks. I want you to go to the site that is pluribookclub.com. As you can read on their page, they are the world's largest private label ebook providers, and on this website you're able to get them access to over 21 digital products. The most important thing is that they offer ebooks with private label rights that you can start selling on Amazon. This means that you have the ability to add yourself as the author of the ebook and then just select on whatever platform you prefer. And when you scroll down a bit on this page, then you can see that there are over 400 niches you can choose the ebook from. This means you can sell the ebook in whichever category you want, whether it's in cooking, traveling, wealth, and success. It really doesn't matter. It's really up to you. Now to get an access to ebook on this website, you have to click on the screen button that says get started today. After doing that, you will be taken to this next page. We are able to create an account by choosing a membership plan. You have two options over here. The first one is Pro Plan, which is $24 per month, and the second one is the starter plan that is only $15 a month. I recommend choosing this plan. This will let you download 20 ebooks per month, which is enough to publish and sell on Amazon. You can try this out with the cheaper plan, and if you want, you can cancel anytime, as they offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. But I'd highly recommend trying this out, because just imagine for 1 second how much you're actually able to earn money on Amazon compared to the money you need to invest on this site every month. That is $15. That's pretty much nothing if you're able to earn thousands of dollars in a single month. Plus, the benefit of selling their ebooks from this site on Amazon is that you can't find those anywhere around the internet. Most people on Amazon haven't seen them in there, and that's why they are most likely to buy those ebooks from you. That's also the biggest reason I recommend trying out this website by downloading the ebooks from here and then uploading and selling them on Amazon. You have the highest chance of earning a lot of money online. But if you're interested in finding free pluribooks to sell on Amazon, then you can simply go to Google and search for pluribooks and take a look at the search results in here and pick out the website where you can download ebooks for free. You can use this method, but keep in mind that the free ones aren't as unique as the ones on this website, because they have been used several times and people have already seen them. So in conclusion, I truly recommend you to try out this new copy-pasting method by selling your ebooks in Amazon Kindle if you want to make real money online. And that's it. This is the Top 4 Earn. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.